conscious vibration for the man and the child. To streamline all our lives, they try to block the vision with their synthetic noise, but the amplifier wakes up and restores our organic joys. Feel the pressure building inside the driver's side. They're ready for the moment when the elements collide. The ultimate bass boosted reggae for the late night drive. Deep car bass music, keeping Rasta vibes alive. 2026 frequency, running straight through the dark, leaving on the highway a permanent spiritual spark. No time for hesitation along this electronic road. We're carrying a legacy, a deeply conscious code. The words are our direction, the rhythm is our shield, until the inner sanctuary is perfectly revealed. Let the low frequencies do the talking under the dashboard glow. Everything is clear when you let the bass line flow. Ultimate bass boosted reggae for the late night drive. Deep car bass music, keeping Rasta vibes alive. 2026 frequency, running straight through the dark, leaving on the highway a permanent spiritual spark. Keep your perspective high. Safe travels on the road. Life step into the future. Let the Rasta bass roll. Windows roll down. The wind is mixing with the groove, giving you the frequency that forces you to move. No looking backward now. The highway stretches clear. We're pushing through the boundaries, erasing all the fear. The speedometer is rising, but my spirit is at peace. Watching all the static of the busy city seas. We carry ancient wisdom inside a polished mix, mending broken perceptions that the system couldn't fix. The headlights cut a path through the heavy valley mist. Lap step into the future. Let the Rasta bass roll. Windows roll down, the wind is mixing with the groove, giving you the frequency that forces you to move. No looking backward now, the highway stretches clear. We're pushing through the boundaries, erasing all the fear. The speedometer is rising, but my spirit is at peace. Watching all the static of the busy city seas. We carry ancient wisdom inside the polished mix, mending broken perceptions that the system couldn't fix. The headlights cut their path through the heavy valley mist, following the rhythm that is impossible to resist. Life reggae EDM music running hot through the car. Bass boosted vibes taking us so far. Deep car bass rolling loud in volume 1, keeping the system tracking till the rising of the sun. We don't need no validation from the things they try to sell, when the clarity inside the sound is working like a spell. So let the amplifiers warm the cabin from within, as the true awakening of the frequency begins. Feel the tires hum against the concrete floor. Open up your mind and let the rhythm pour. Till the rising of the sun. Lap step into the future. Let the Rasta bass roll. Keep the alignment true. Blessed love on the road. Do, 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 do. The world outside is rushing, but in here we slow the pace, letting the subwoofers align the inner space. Deep car bass vibrating to your very core. A conscious meditation hitting straight down to the floor. The dashboard displays a gentle neon blue embrace as we navigate the quiet streets and leave a lasting trace. There is an absolute medicine hidden inside the low frequency, restoring our awareness to the way it ought to be. Get ready for the shift, feel the review start to dance. We plunge the entire vehicle into a conscious trance. Blah blah blah. Ultimate bass boosted reggae flowing through your spine. Deep car bass music keeping your focus in line. Welcome to volume 1, cruising through the dark, kindling within your soul an eternal spark. No complicated theories, no heavy words to fight, just absolute alignment with the rhythm of the night. The music is a shield that keeps the heavy stress at bay, washing all the clutter of the modern world away. Let the system shake the dust from off your heavy chest. Give the overworking mind a much deserved rest. Ultimate bass boosted reggae flowing through your spine. Deep car bass music keeping your focus in line. Welcome to volume 1, cruising through the dark, kindling within your soul an eternal spark. Conscious warriors riding on an electronic wave, protecting the ancient culture that the ancestors gave. A steady signal stays, leading the true believers out of Babylon's maze. illusion can disrupt us. No trap can slow our pace. When we hold the true alignment inside this moving space, the baseline is an armor against the daily stress, allowing the internal spirit to finally progress. Let the system breathe, let the frequency command. We are cruising safely through a wild and changing land. Ultimate bass boosted music blasting through the zone. Deep carved bass lines from an electronic throne. 2026 vibrations driving through the night, keeping all the positive intentions burning bright. The tensions burning bright. Yeah, 2026 configuration. Let the ultimate bass vibrations open up the road. Leave the worry far behind. Leave the daily greed. We're cruising with the melody, oh, that satisfies our need. Yeah. The ocean breeze is warm. The stars are burning bright. We're riding on a wave of pure, unadulterated light. Accelerating gently as the evening mist clears out. We travel with assurance, removing every doubt. The stereo is pumping out a joyful Rasta strain, washing all the modern stress and temporary pain. We're moving through the evening, the collective mood is high, lifting our expectations straight up to the sky. I reggae EDM car music, making spirits rise. Deep car bass music underneath the skies. Ultimate bass boosted cruising, setting everyone free, vibrating with the power of complete harmony. Every mile we cover is a celebration sweet, feeling the foundation shaking right beneath our feet. The music is an engine that is powered by the soul, bringing us together, making our intentions whole. Feel the rhythm revving inside. the Wally One Road session complete. Keep the vibration beautiful. Blessings on your journey. Yeah! 2026 configuration. Let the ultimate bass vibrations open up the road. Oh, be the worry far behind. Leave the daily greed. We're cruising with the melody that satisfies our needs. The stars are burning bright. We're riding on a wave of pure, unadulterated light. Accelerating gently as the evening mist clears out. We travel with assurance, removing every doubt. The stereo is pumping out a joy for Rasta strain, washing all the modern stress and temporary pain. We're moving through the evening. The collective mood is high, lifting our expectations straight up to the sky. Hey, Freddy! EDM car music, making spirits rise. Deep car bass music, underneath the skies. Ultimate bass boosted cruising, setting everyone free. Vibrating with the power of complete harmony. Hey! Hi, 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 hi. Every mile we cover is a celebration sweet. Feeling the foundation shaking right beneath our feet. The music is an engine that is powered by the soul, bringing us together, making our intentions whole. Feel the rhythm, revving inside the stereo grid, unlocking all the beauty that the busy daytime hid. High track EDM car music, making spirits rise. Deep car bass music, underneath the skies. Ultimate bass boosted cruising, setting everyone free. Vibrating with the power of complete harmony. Let Volume 1 Road session complete. Keep the vibration beautiful. Blessings on your journey. The asphalt stretches out into the vast and open space. We find our true direction in the rhythm's warm embrace. Timeless frequency that the modern world can't erase. restoring complete balance to the human race. Guided by the dashboard light and steady high beam gleam, we travel through the country like a long forgotten dream. The subwoofer balances the pressure in your chest, giving the heavy overworking intellect a rest. No confusion can filter through this protective sound. When the roots of the culture are completely profound. People timid, bass boosted roots for the conscious mind. Deep car bass music, leaving stress behind. 2026 ascension, floating smoothly through the dark, igniting every soul with a divine eternal spark. We trace the line of heritage that stays forever young, singing out the message that the older souls have sung. So let the amplifiers handle all the heavy weight as we cross the boundary into a peaceful state. Listen to the silence hidden deep inside the